Hey guys, welcome back into this lovely tutorial. Hopefully you're coming back. I realize this could be maybe something that you're just jumping in on. I do have an entire tutorial section on Mix It Up. I'm trying to build out my library of stuff, so hopefully you guys can learn how to use Mix It Up. And you can also go to that community area and download stuff, but I'm hoping that we can teach each other and make this world just a little bit of a better place. But right now we're gonna take a look, not at our check-in, not at our ungrouped, but at our first action group. So this is another one where I'm going to take different areas of Mix It Up and tie it all together and kind of show you some powerful like conditionals and blah blah blah. Let me show you. So what the goal for the first redeem is, let me open this up because I think it makes sense if you look at what's here. So my first redeem is the first redeem is a Twitch channel point redemption. Okay? They log into my stream, they go down to the channel points, and they spend one little channel point for the first. I got first, second, third, and nth. I've only done this for the first, because I think that's the only one that matters. So, right now, they have a, so right here, add to the first count. So let's actually go back. We're gonna look here, and I'm gonna pull up the currencies too, because first is a currency. Alright, so first is also a currency. It is disabled. It doesn't have anything on it, period, end of story. There's nothing. It's not a rank system. It's not primary. It's just they're done. Alright, so now what happens? This person does a Twitch channel redeem point. It's only Twitch. Right here, there's my first. It's gonna run this action group. So again, I'm pulling in, like I said, I'm pulling in currencies. I'm pulling in Twitch channel points. I'm pulling in action groups. Look at all this. All this ties together with a nice little bow. All right, so the person comes in, they've hit the first here for the Twitch channel point. It then goes and says, okay, we're gonna run the action group first redeem. First redeem, that's this guy right here. Oh yeah, let's take a look at what it does. So we look at the first count, add to first count, and they get 1. So no matter what, when someone gets in there and they hit first, they get a number 1. They add to their currency. Now we're gonna welcome the user. Welcome back, username. You have been first here how many times? Awesome. Now, this is where I kind of name things so Keegers can keep things straight. Conditional if the user is not on a streak. So basically, we're kind of counting all this stuff, right? So if the user is not currently on a streak, so what does that mean? That means their user first streak value, which is this thing right here, is 0, right? So this one here greets them and says, you've been first here like 17 times, right? Now the next is gonna say, are they on a streak? Is their first 0? Oh, then they're not on a streak, but we got to do something about that. So what we do is we reset the first streak for all users. So let's say we've got 2 users. We've got Johnny and Susie. Johnny's been here 10 times. Johnny's been first 25 times, but he's on a streak of 5. He's been here first 5 times in a row. Perfect. Well, Susie comes in. Susie and Johnny have a rivalry, and Susie's been here, like 30 times first, but can never seem to break Johnny's record. She's been trying like for weeks, obviously. So all of a sudden she comes in, she gets the first. So she gets her first, she's got her 31st first, and she's got greeted and says, oh, you've been here first 31 times. Oh, but your first streak is 0. So now we gotta reset everybody's first streak. That sucks. So Johnny is now gone from his first streak being 5 to 0. That's what this does. Every user gets their currency blanked out, gone. Now, this user, Susie, her first streak is now increased to 1, right? So she's now on a streak. So, cool. She is now the new first. But I don't care. You're not on a streak. You're not on a streak if you have a value of 1, right? That doesn't make any sense. So if you're on a streak of greater than 1, you're now on a roll. So now you can actually say if their streak is greater than 1, you can be congratulated, and now you are on a blank streak of firsts. Right? So again, Susie comes in the next day. She beats Johnny one more time. She's got that second first. So let's go down the list here and let's work this out. So now she's got 32 firsts because she started with 30. She broke Johnny's streak at 31. This is 32. She's got 32 firsts. Oh, is she on a streak? Absolutely. She's got a streak of 1. At this point, Susie has a streak of 1. Right? Pay attention. I swear to you, this works. So we're not going to clear out everybody's thing because we are not equal to 0 for that streak. She's got a streak of 1. We're moving on to the next one. First streak, add to user, 2. We now have a streak of 2. Perfect. Now let's look here. Are they on a streak of more than 1? User streak greater than 1? Yes, we are. We are on a streak of 2. So Susie has now 2, and then we congratulate her that she is on her second day in a row or stream in a row of firsts. I love this thing. It's just a little bit of competition that you can give to your users, and you know what? It's all tied to that Twitch channel point redeem, so it calves them, give that little bit of extra effort to actually get in and hit that first button. Again, it's totally up to you how you want to do this. You know, if you watched my other video on the check-in stuff, that's how you can do the other way of like, I just want to give people credit for being here chatting with me, do that one. If you want to have a little bit of competition, do that one. Or, like me, do both. It makes it so that you attract both of those types of people. People that just want to come in, hang out. Maybe they never catch the beginning of your stream because, well, it's, 3 o'clock in the morning for them when you start streaming. But, you stream for a few hours, they get up and they just put you on your phone and they want to say, good morning, Keegers. Absolutely. I love you guys for that. Please, please, please keep doing that. And I want to reward you for that. I also want to have a little bit of competition for those people in the beginning that go, I want to get that first. I want to redeem that. It's obviously here. And that's what this kind of fosters. So hopefully this makes some sense to you guys. If there's any part of it that doesn't make any sense, I know there's a lot of interconnecting parts here. We've got, again, our currency, we've got our Twitch chat, our Twitch channel points, and then we've got an action group. But again, it kind of keeps everything together. So hopefully it does make sense. But anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, clean jokes, please put them in the chat. If you want me to tackle a scenario that you want to have, either put it in the comment section or go ahead and join me over in the Inner Realms Discord at discord.gg/InnerRealmsSMP. It is my primary Discord, and I would love to see you over there. We're trying to make our way to 1,000 people at this point in time, and we're at about 400, so come on over. And yeah, as always, someone out there loves you, someone under the lakes you, and hey, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching this far, and take care of yourselves.